Microsoft is set to turn Copilot into your personal Windows 11 assistant, and its latest upgrade could finally make the AI tool feel truly useful. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. For Microsoft's aim to deepen integration with the operating system, the Copilot app is now getting a new feature called Direct Settings Access, allowing it to guide users straight to the relevant part of the settings menu based on their questions. Let's say you're squinting at your screen and you ask Copilot, "Why is my display so dim?" Instead of delivering a generic answer or a list of suggestions, the AI will now offer a direct link to your brightness settings. With this, it'll give you simple but smart instructions, like how to adjust the slider and even remind you to check if battery saver or nightlight mode is making your display dim. This feature is currently rolling out to Windows Insiders and Copilot version 1.25095.161 and above, and it's actually making AI do things and not just talk to them. And while it's not yet able to change settings for you, at least for now, this update marks a big step towards that future. Just imagine Copilot checking your settings in real time and asking if you'd like to change them. So far, users said the new responses feel sharper, less rambling, and more relevant, especially compared to the current Copilot, which can be a bit talky rather than worky. The real win is that you no longer have to dig through menus to find that specific setting buried 4 clicks and 3 menus deep. Microsoft keeps going in this direction. Copilot could become one of the most practical features in Windows 11. Did you find this feature useful? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.